They were family. They're still family. And so.
I started Sugar Controls in 1995. I was doing a automation project, building a measuring system for a piece of forestry equipment. After I built the measuring system, I realized I needed a couple of control handles for the system, so I looked into it, and they were $800 or $900, and the whole project was $2,500. So that wasn't going to work. Somebody from Fitting, one of the Caterpillar largest dealers, they saw our control handles out in the forestry on the machine, and they liked what we did, so they tracked me down, and that was how Schubert started. We built up a bunch of control handles. I loaded them in the trunk of my vehicle and drove up through the Caribou, stopped at all the equipment dealers, and sold the control handles. And that's how I started doing it, just selling them out of the back of my car. And eventually we started getting larger and larger dealers.
Sugar started in Kamloops. We were there for 15 years, and Brent and I both wanted to semi-retire. We put a lot into the business, and we found that doing the business, we're in it 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. Brent would wake up in the middle of the night with a new design, and he'd wake me up and say, yeah, I've got a new design. So our life was just Surebrit Control. So we thought, making a move to Victoria where family was, we could semi-retire.
Hello, my name is Ken Baker. I'm the CEO of the Bailey Group. During the acquisition process, we worked very well with both Brent and Cynthia Cornelson. They gave us the information we needed to make an informed decision. After the closure of the acquisition, both Brent and Cynthia stayed with the company. Cynthia stayed for almost a full year, assisting with operational transition, and Brent stayed for almost 2.5 years, assisting with engineering and customer transition. As we look to acquire companies, we look for companies that share our values, and SureGrip is a great example of that. SureGrip, as a family-owned business, cared deeply for their employees and cared deeply for their customers. That matched very well with the Bailey values and made the integration far more successful.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi, my name is Darren Lockyer. I'm the Vice President of SureGrip Controls. The culture at SureGrip has certainly evolved over the last 7 or 8 years, and certainly since the beginning of the organization. Over the last 7 years, we've really evolved from a smaller organization to a much larger organization. One of the areas that makes SureGrip, we believe, such an excellent partner for our customers is that we are willing to engage with them to solve their problems. As the requirements change, as the relationship evolves with a supplier and a customer, we want to be fully engaged with them to be able to address and solve their problems. As we've gotten larger, we've been able to invest in various areas like product management and start to establish more clearly defined roadmaps of what the market needs. And what that has translated into is us being able to develop market-specific product applications. We still have a ton of flexibility in our product designs and configurability, but what we've found is being able to have product-specific applications helps our customers understand how we can help solve the problems that they're having, as well as give them confidence that we work in their industry, we're knowledgeable around the applications that they are interested in, as well as some of the challenges that they come up against that we can help with. Certainly treating employees with respect, getting their involvement is an important part of that culture, and that feeds into excellent customer service is our belief.
The work environment here at SureGrip is very team focused, and also our culture is very open door. We have a very good culture as far as events that are held, such as picnics that the whole company is involved with. We have fundraisers we participate in. We have annual events which take place that includes the entire company. The integration of all departments is very much promoted, and the culture here is very open door, very friendly.
We're extremely excited with the success that SureGrip has had, as it has played a large part in our fingertip to tooltip vision realization. We look forward to continue to grow SureGrip and our overall electronics business unit as a part of our greater Bailey Group.